Hi guys, last night was horrible because the rain was so heavy, and look what happened here. I was actually nervous because we have trees and in look here. What happened last night to my look what happened here. This in front of our house, guys. There are 3 cars in there that's damaged. That's the big tree. Because the rain was so heavy, I don't know, maybe thunder or a lightning strike in there or something. We don't know what happened last night, but it was so heavy rain. And this is our house here. Actually, my husband just woke up. Oh, there's a tree. Daddy, there's a tree here.
I've just been at our back.
Yeah.
Oh dear.
Is there a damage in our back?
Yeah, on the fence.
Oh, yep, that.
There are 3 cars damaged.
Wait, was this all because of the storm last night?
Yeah.
Is that so powerful, the storm?
I told you I was nervous last night. The trees are falling down our fence. This is meters away from our room, guys. I think 10 yards away from our room, this tree. So, and there's another tree here that's long, and if it fell down, then it probably went to our room. Oh my gosh.
This didn't fall down until after, because I went out last night when the storm started and I could see this tree.
So it was still there.
Yeah, when I was outside.
Do you think it's the lightning that caused it?
No, it was the wind.
Look at that.
No, it's just the wind.
Lucky.
No, I was looking at that last night, Bubba, when I went outside and it was really windy.
So there's a really tall tree here, guys, and if it fell down, our house, our garage would have been there with it will fall down on our garage. Daddy, there are 4 cars because the red one we can't see from that angle.
Oh, wait.
There were 4 cars damaged. There. After this car, there's a red maroon car there. Oh my God, is that the second? Whose house is that?
Diane's, I think.
No, she said there's no damage in her
No, so
house.
it hasn't got to the house, Bubba. There's a pathway down here. So this is the outside fence. This is our inside fence, and it hasn't reached her inside fence.
Oh, okay.
So it's just on the outside fence.
So there's a tree that actually fell down, but it went there, not in our house. This is our house. You know what? Because the soil is very soft, Daddy. It's been raining.
That's broken tree. That's the wind that caused that. Or lightning. But I'd say it's the wind.
It's almost as if it was struck by lightning and then it fell down. The big branch fell down. Someone, someone is swimming there.
Where?
There are like teenagers swimming there.
Where's the teenagers?
Why are you
Over
putting
there.
umbrella on her and she's still wet?
Well, because she doesn't want to stay under the umbrella.